about to drill into the fucking A90. Oh shit, it was that quick?
No, it's just a pilot, so I'm gonna drill it bigger, but let's see.
Oh, that's very good. That's valid. Hole number 2.
Right here?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Ain't that bad.
No, it's not horrible.
Hey, look.
Identical.
It's identical? That's good to go. Oh,
Nice.
But remember how much the dude at the shop was banging it around?
yeah, dude, the guy at the shop fucked my shit.
Is that where this crack's from?
What? Probably. There's a big scratch on it, but I'm getting a discount. I don't know what the scratch is.
How much was it?
Right here. It's like $700. I'm getting 200 back.
Oh, damn.
Yo, call this up.
Someone gotta run up the checkers.
The beat go off? Hey. Hey, I'm up at them, my heat go off. Bang. I heard he do that sneaky talk. I heard he was a sneaky dog. I'm up this fucking board, then I sneak it dog.
Yeah, I just thread this one in. And then leave it another check.
I bet. Yeah, it's still like in there, but not too crazy.
Yeah.
You ever fucked your car with a drill bit?
dirty bitch.
Oh, I can't find the hole, bro.
Fuck yeah.
That shit is not strong.
Just fucking swirl it around a little bit.
Yeah?
I think it's just the car itself, like it just complements it well, because it already has like this. Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
The emergency latch.
It's important. Bro, that actually came so clutch one time.
You
My
get locked
battery
in there?
died. I needed to pop the trunk because
Oh.
the battery was being fucky.
Yeah.
And you can't pop the trunk.
Batteries in the trunk?
Yeah, the battery's right there. It's German, that's why.
That's a weird fucking
I don't know, bro. Germans. Nazis and shit, right?
Nazi
Oh
engineers
god,
and
bro.
shit.
Fuck them fools.
Nazi.
For all that shit and putting their batteries in the rear, dude.
Oh my god.
Bro, that looks hard. So good. That looks dope.
What?
Give me the camera, give me the camera, give me the camera.
That shit looks crazy. Yo. Wow. Do you love it? I'm a fan. Bro, that looks great. Yo, start it. It sounds like a Porsche.
After 6, it doesn't go.
What the fuck? Damn. It loves doing that, bro. Yo, take it out. Let's get some flicks.
What the? Whoa.
This man ain't playing around.
Damn, this shit look new.
Hey, bro. Is this a Mach 1? Oh. I'm playing. That's a GT2 artist, by the way.
Why do you have so many Land Cruisers? He's got fucking.
This is the best we're on.
Oh my god.
Bro, I can't. I gotta scramble.
Oh, I don't know how to play.
You're fucking. Just hit
the
ball.
ball.
How do I just hit the ball?
No,
You ever played 8-ball on your phone?
On my phone, yeah.
It's the
Hit
same
that
shit.
ball into that hole right there.
No, I know how to play the game. I just don't know how to
I was gonna
hit.
say,
Look.
we are not.
Wait, I go like this?
Yeah. Alright, so you're gonna wanna hit the ball now. Hey, let's fucking go. Alright, now you can go again.
Wait, do I have to keep my hand like on this thing?
Nah, doesn't
So I can
matter.
go like that?
Yeah, you can do that. Just try not to touch any of the other balls.
Just barely. Oh shit, man.
That was crazy. Shout out to Ari.
Shout out Ari.
Shout out the homie Ari. I know he needs it.
Yeah, no.
Yeah, we got all the setups right now. We're about to go pop out at the Origins meet. Rev this bitch for me real quick.
That's enough.
These ain't no guess jeans. I I dropped out of school, I'm still getting mad, but nigga don't test me. I played to the left, they went to the right, they try to finesse me.
Dude, is that OC's favorite Supra? No way. Oh my god. Oh, fuck. Dude, your car is so clean, bro. Okay. Thank you.
Have fun, guys.
Thank you. Let's get this fucking show on the road, retards. What did he say? Fuck are we doing? Everybody standing around. Let's get this shit cracking, OC. Do some shit for the camera.
Do some shit for the camera.
Can you hit the jump?
I'm gonna let him handle it this time.
Hey, show him up, bro.
If someone goes down, Irwindale's closed forever. Right? So, if you want to be over there, do it all night long.
Sorry about that.
Never over here. Thanks, my friend.
What a nice guy.
Do any of you guys qualify you guys? Do anything?
Nah, he just gave him a nice talking to.
Did, but he'll still let us ride though.
Wait, disqualified you from the two-step contest?
He said that, but he's not gonna care if we show up.
Oh, they get mad at you for doing that shit?
Yeah.
What do they say?
They're just like, you can't do that because the tire's flying everywhere.
But did they like disqualify you from some shit or not?
He just told me not to do it, but I do it every time. So I got the bar for it.
Oh God, that was a crazy run though. I'm not gonna lie, you went stupid.
Crazy enough to melt the lugs on. They're all fucking melted, bro.
Holy shit.
And then when I took them off, they were smoking.
That's crazy.
I think the studs are done.
Do you know when the two-step competition is?
Haley, do you know when the two-stepping is happening?
Just secured the fresh cop. Motherfucking Irwindale's. You already know what it is. Already know what it is. Shit was 45 bucks. That's low. Dude, for what? The long sleeve.
Holy shit.
So much fucking smoke right now. Just got accused for domestic violence, and this is the turnout. Hold up. We also saw El Gato here. Oh yeah, I shook this hand. Shook El Gato's hand. This hand also shook TJ Hunt's hand. So like, this is just like a special hand. We'll put it in like a glass box. Yeah, I just won't touch it anymore. I'll start beating my meme with my right hand. Dude, it looks so sick on camera. It looks like a real fucking cloud. Holy shit. Ow! I don't even know which one won. Who fucking cares, dude?
me a chick, I got a chick. Yeah, I done got